Well, hello everyone. This is Joshua from Tiny House Basics. We're here on another tiny house tour. So this is built on one of our 28-foot long by 102-inch wide Tiny House Basics custom trailers. This is a triple axle trailer, so 21,000 pound capacity. The customer opted for the upgraded options of 4-inch drop axles. So we have a deck height on this trailer of 22 inches tall from the ground. So we're going to take you on the inside. This is based off our own tiny house, the Entertaining Abode. But this model, we're calling it the Tassajara because it has a downstairs bedroom and then a couple other features that you'll see as we go on the inside. So right here on the back, this is the business end. That is the bathroom window right there. We got the circuit breaker box and the on-demand water heater, propane water heater. It's a Rinnai V65. So coming around the back, we have the little drain line for the water. Well, actually, I'm sorry, supply line. And there's the waste line for the black water and gray water. It was like 50-mile-per-hour winds this day, so you can see like the camera shaking a little bit more than it normally would, as you can see with that little cap on the drain. So the Entertaining Abode has the 2-foot bump outs on both the front and the back. And so you're gaining an additional 2 feet of room inside the lofts. So this is 28 feet on the lower and then 32 feet on the upper with those additional bump outs. It's a 112 pitch roof, and we got a 30-year standing seam metal roof as well. The exterior siding is an LP Smart Side. Great siding, very resilient. It's intended to be painted, and it has a texture like that of wood. This particular one has a cedar texture, so we went with the white on white look for the exterior siding right here. So this was painted to really match the house that it was going to be parked next to. So yeah, now let's go ahead and take a look and go on the inside. All right, so now let's go on the inside of this tiny house build. So majority of what we do is we build the custom trailers for people to build their own tiny houses on, but on a very limited basis we'll build tiny house shells and then also full turnkey models like this. So this is one of, I think, 4 we've done that is built exactly like our house with some variation changes. So this has the downstairs bedroom. It's an 8-foot bedroom. We just have a little twin bed right here to just kind of show that it is intended to be a bedroom. Above it we have the 8-foot loft plus the 2-foot bump out. So it's actually 10 feet of sleeping space in each loft. They're both identical. This was designed and built for our customer who was a teacher, and she had 2 small children. So the sleeping lofts for each child had their own sleeping loft. We have storage stairs right here, and then going over past the storage stairs is a little area that we have allocated for a refrigerator. We have the washer dryer cubby right there with the outlet for the rough plumbing. We got some other storage right there, and then we have the kitchen island, which kind of bumps out, but you kind of have the nice vantage point looking out the big kitchen window. There's plenty of storage. This is a maple butcher block with the dual basin sink. Came out really pretty with a nice finish on it. This is a little breakfast nook, so we actually made the table to come up and down. So we'll go ahead and show you how that functions right there. There's like a matching little leg that you just kind of twist out of the way. And then that table kind of folds down and out of the way. So a very multifunctional spot. Nice little backrest kind of built into it. You could add pillows and cushions to kind of spruce it up like that. So now we'll just kind of put it back together. We'll clean up after ourselves and continue on with the tour. I really like this kind of flow of the countertop. It's a very comfortable space to work. We work from home. We're in the year of working from home. So this is a nice multifunctional space for that. So now we're going to just kind of show you what it looks like with the sliding barn door ladder that goes up to the second loft. We have the rungs built onto the door. So the door is really an 1/8 inch above the floor, so it just barely floats. And then when you put weight onto it, and it compresses a little bit to make it sturdy, so you can easily climb up to the second loft. And here we are in the downstairs bedroom, in case you missed it the first time. We're just going to pop back in and show you this 8-foot wide bedroom. It's really 8 feet wide by 8 feet long. So a very cool space. It's been a very popular design lately. We've done several models of tiny houses and custom designs based off the downstairs bedroom. We're going to show you that you can store stuff underneath your kitchen sink right there, in case you didn't know. This area right here was kind of over the wheel well, and the customer wanted a toaster oven. So instead of putting the range, we put the cooktop like that. We have the space underneath for her toaster oven. We have a little spice rack next to that for hot sauces and spices. And then we put a pocket door going to the bathroom to really kind of save space and to just have that kind of nice clean lines and not have to worry about navigating around a door coming in and out of the bathroom, or when it's open where it's going to be. So going into the bathroom, this is the first time we've done a tile shower in a tiny house. We were really kind of concerned about what this overall weight was going to be like doing a tile shower in a tiny house. And for reference, this house is a 28-foot long, 102 wide tiny house build. The total weight came out to 13,340 pounds. When we did one of our other models, which we have a longer tour of, based off the entertaining abode as well, it was brown and it had green roof and kind of tan with the accordion window. That house weighed 12,240 pounds. So this house had a lot more, well, it had the tile, it had some good more cabinetry and stuff like that. And it was really less than 1,000-pound difference between the two. And here is that second 10-foot loft, and we have the little pony wall like we do on the other side. And that concludes our tiny house tour of the entertaining abode Tassajara. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can find more information about our tiny houses on tinyhousebasics.com and request a free quote for a tiny house trailer for your own tiny house build. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time.